Yo, what's up? I hope you guys can hear me. And Zine Zambrano has a YouTube account. Go check him out. And my friend's this is like Anthony Zine, something like that. And he's gonna ride this cool little helicopter here. Awesome helicopter. Blades. Oh my god. The blades are going faster than you think. That's just how my camera works. So yeah. Oh yeah. There's also Ripley's, believe it or not, over there. Broken house. It's awesome. Yeah, they're gonna ride. So there they are. It's Zine and Rex. You probably don't know Rex doesn't have a YouTube account, but Zine, yeah, he has one. So yeah, they're riding, as you can see that. They're taking a picture in case they die, so they have memories. So yeah. As I told you, the propellers are going very faster than you think. That's their last picture of the day, or they die. So yeah. If they die, well, I'll take care of this channel. So yeah. Here it is. So they're getting in, as you can see. Zine. Oh no, now they're going very fast there. Woo! Sounds like the go-kart. Back around. It's like around 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So really fast. Actually. I'm zoomed in all the way, as you can see. Yeah, they're gone. So yeah, and they'll be. Oh my gosh, there's a pool in their truck. There's a pool in their truck. Man, I wish you could see that. It's awesome. That's awesome. See, we're in Branson here. Branson. How do you feel about Branson?
It's bad.
Oh.
I don't recommend to go here. It's expensive.
I see.
No, that's kidding. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Helicopter ride is very awesome for $34 for 3 minutes.
Oh my gosh, only for $34 to ride a helicopter? Oh my gosh. There it is, there it is. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. That little red dot right over there. Oh, here it comes. It's coming back now. And it's over. As you can see, really quick, really quick. As I told you before, the propellers are going way faster, okay, way faster. Something that I can't even see. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the noise. And they're out, and you can see they're still alive, so they haven't died yet, so they gotta keep the picture. See, they're alive, both of them. So yeah, and we'll interview him. So yeah, let's do it.